Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Contact will be reinstated in Birsa Agriculture University. Officers are also being appointed on contact for the smooth functioning of Birsa Agriculture University. After the concurrence of the governor cum chancellor, the officers are being appointed on a 6-month contract in the university. In this regard, the university has sent a proposal to the Jharkhand Public Service Commission, but the appointment process has stalled for almost 2 years. Now the process of appointing officers for 6 months on the contract is starting from November 19. Interviews are being held on 19 November for appointment for administrative officer and assistant chancellor. The interview is to be conducted from 11 am. 12 houses to be constructed for ministers in HEC region. 12 houses will be constructed for the ministers of the state in HEC region. DPR will be made for this now. Consultant has to be selected to prepare DPR for this. Jharkhand Urban Infrastructure Development Company Limited has issued a tender. The company making DPR has been invited through the tender. The sale of tender paper has selected. Tender can be placed until December 1. It will be decided on December 2. According to the information, there are plans to build houses of ministers and officials on 409.4 acres of land in HEC. Wealth filtered in the fields and barns. Diwali this time will be the name of real Andhans, that is farmers. Despite the corona crisis and the lockdown, farmers across the country including Jharkhand worked hard in the field. At the same time, the weather also supported them, due to which there has been a lot of production of other kharif crops including paddy. That is this time Mata Lakshmi is going through the fields and barns. FIR against 9 including 96 schools in a scholarship scam. On Wednesday, based on the interim investigation report of the scam in pre-matric scholarship given to minority students during the year 2019-20, the district administration has taken major action. The administration has prima facie considered in a scam of rupees 9.99 crore. Apart from 96 schools, the administration has filed an FIR against 9 others. Permission has been sought from the state government for FIRs and departmental proceeding against Digit Welfare Officer Dhananand Dubey. Chamber puts emphasis to promote local products in festive season. Federation of Jharkhand Chamber of Commerce and Industries have been appealed to the people to promote local products in the festive season Deepavali, Chhath, etc., so that the affected business due to COVID-19 can get some relief. This will not only give a boost to the vocal or local, but will also bring a smile on the face of small and middle class traders. Sadhana gift of Diwali to tribes. Festive atmosphere on the street of Ranchi. Sadhana tribal religion code was passed from Jharkhand Assembly on Wednesday after partial amendment, and now this proposal will be sent to the central government. After the passing of the religion code from the assembly, there was a festive atmosphere at the street of Ranchi, while people belonging to Sadhana tribal community took up the winning procession. They also congratulated each other by feeding them sweets. How is the Health Minister of Jharkhand? Know the full update. Donor of Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mehto and lungs transplant has done under the supervision of management and doctors of MGM Hospital, Chennai. Transplant was completed successfully. After this, he was brought out of operation theatre. According to doctors, Education Minister Jagannath Mehto is very well. Let us tell you that after the health of the corona infected Education Minister, he was taken Chennai from Medical Hospital in Ranchi after his health worsened. This Diwali you can make your home dream come true. These banks are giving opportunity with cheap home loan. Many private and public banks of the country have cut home loan interest rates to fulfill the dreams of customers. If you want, you can set up the foundation of your dream home in Diwali this year by taking home loans from these banks. Bank of Vadodara reduced MCLR by 0.05%. HDFC also reduced interest rate. Canada Bank also reduced MCLR. Union Bank also cut home loan interest rates. Railways gave this gift to Bihar, Jharkhand. Now you can go home in Diwali and Chhath. If you are thinking of going home during this festive season, then this news is for you. This news is more special for you when you are related to Bihar or Jharkhand and you are planning to come home in Diwali and Chhath. The East Central Railway wrote on its Twitter wall that a pair of additional Puja special train will be opened between Patna and Ranchi. It will be opened from Ranchi on 22nd November 2020, while from Patna it will run from 23rd November 2020. Railways has said that it should follow the protocol issued for prevention from corona during the journey. These government employees will get a DA smile on the face of the first bonus of Diwali. Prior to Diwali, the central government as well as the state government have also provided relief to government employees across the country. The central and state government have made many such announcements that have brought smiles in the face of millions of employees. However, we still have to wait for a DA central government due to these decisions taken by the government. This year there will be more money to spend in the hands of government employees for festival. The economy has been badly affected by the economic causes by the corona epidemic. The government is trying to give more money to the people to increase the demand. Modi government's Diwali gift to the crisis-stricken industry. 10 sectors will get 2 lakh crore package. To give relief to the entrepreneurs affected by the corona crisis, the Modi government has decided to give a Diwali gift of rupees 2 lakh crore package on Wednesday. The government has decided to give production-based incentives to 10 sectors. The proposal have been approved in the Union Cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday. Governments changed thinking about ITR. Now 99.75 returns to be filed are being accepted without objection, said PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday attended the inauguration ceremony of the ITAT's office cum residential complex at the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal in Cuttack, Odisha through video conferencing. He said that now the thinking of the government is that the income tax return is being filed trust in a completely first. The result of this is that 99.75% of the return filed in the country today are accepted without any objection. This is a big change which has come in the tax system of India. Modi government gift to central employees on Dhanteras will be able to do this work with LTC cash voucher. Before Dhanteras, Modi government has given millions of central employees a better chance and gift to purchase. Under the LTC cash voucher scheme latest, central government employees can shop for goods or services in the name of a wife or other family members. However, these members should be eligible for LTC. The Department of Expenditure of the Minister of Finance in response to the FAQ in relation to the scheme clarified that even if an employee has not formally opted to join the scheme, it is still eligible from the October 12 or it's the latter can claim to get money on the purchase of goods or services with more than 12% GST. Big news for air travelers. Domestic airlines are allowed to fly with 70% capacity. Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has made a big announcement amid the corona crisis. He announced an exemption for Indian airlines to fly with great capacity today. Hardeep Singh Puri said that now domestic airlines companies can fly with 70% capacity. Currently, the domestic airline with 60% capacity has flight approval. The government has taken this decision in view of the ever-increasing demand. As soon as he gets out of jail, Arnab Goswami's Halla Bol chant Vande Mataram slogan, crowd of supporters gathered. Hours after getting interim bail from Supreme Court, Republic TV editor Arnab Goswami was released from Taloja jail in Raigad district. After coming out of the jail, Arnab was seen holding the mic in an open car. They also raised slogans of Vande Mataram during this time. A large number of supporters of Arnab was gathered outside the jail. Arnab was seen in his old complexion amidst a huge crowd. The Apex Court ordered the release of Arnab Goswami as well as two other persons in the case, Nitish Sharada and Firoz Mohammad Sheikh, on a proposal bond of rupees 50,000 each. COVID-19 updates. The speed of those recovering from coronavirus infection in Jharkhand has started increasing. The result of this is that on Wednesday, the total number of people recovered from corona in the state has exceeded 1 lakh. At the same time, now 4,009 active cases are left in the entire state. Apart from this, the recovery rate in Jharkhand is better than in the country. Weather updates. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 16 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and partially sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.73 with a decrease of 0.22 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a decrease of 0.27. Special about today. On 12 November 2019, 550th anniversary of birth of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, celebrated in India and Pakistan. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.